Okay, so hello guys, this is a problem on HackerRank called minimum distances. So the problem statement is, we define the distance between two array values as the number of indexes between the two values. So see, this is a particular array, and see the distance they are defining as, if 3 and 3 are repeating, then the distance between these two is the index of 3 and the index of 3. So index of 3 is 0 and index of 3 is whatever it is. So we just have to determine the difference between these two indexes. So this is the distance between 3 and 3, and same goes for 2 and 2 as they are repeating. So the minimum distance will be between 2 and 2 because they are more closer. So we just have to print the minimum distance. And the input format is, the first line contains integer and size, and then we have to take the array. So let us try to code it in PyCharm now. So n is the integer input, and after that I am taking array. So I'll name the array as ARR, and it will be a list of, I'll use map function now. So it will be map of integers, and I'll use input.split function so that I can take the inputs in spaces and store it in the ARR. Okay, and I have to check for the repetitive elements. So for that I'll use two for loops. So I'll use for I in range, and I'm using I as the index. So I'll write the range as I'll write the range in n, in range n, and again I'll use a for loop for j. So for j in range will be n again, because I'm again using j as the index. And after that, see, I just have to check if j and j are equal, right? So for checking that, for checking I and j are equal, so I'll just write if I equals to j. If this is the case, then I just have to append the list I just have to determine the minimum distance between I and j, right? So the minimum distance will be whatever it is. I just have to append it in the list. So first of all, I'll start an empty list. So suppose this is my empty list, and I'll just append it in, see, l dot append. After appending, I just have to append I minus j, because I just have to append the absolute difference. So for taking the absolute value, I'll just write absolute value of I minus j. Okay. See, now I got the array L. So I'll just print L first of all, so that we can understand what is going on. So I'll just take the sample input. Okay. See, here what we did wrong is I and j are index. See, I and j are indexes, so I just have to write ARR of I, because we want the elements to be equal, not indices. Okay, now let us see. Now it looks fine. So see, we got 0 and 0 repeating, see, because the distance between it is taking index 0 as well. So it is taking the element and itself is repeating. The element itself is repeating on its own place, right? So we just don't want 0, right? So for doing it, and see, 5 and 3 are also repeating. So we don't want the repeating element. So I'll just convert the list into a set. So I'll just write L is a set of L. So see, the repeating elements will get vanished now. So see, because I just converted into a set. So see, now see, 0 also we don't want. So first of all, I'll remove 0. So L dot remove, and by doing this, I just by writing one statement, L dot remove 0, all the zeros will get eliminated. So see, 3 and 5. So I just need to print the minimum distance. So for printing the minimum distance, I'll just write minimum of L. Okay. Now see, it is right, but see, if 7 and 7 and 1 and 1 are not repeating, that is, if no repeating elements are there in this list, then L will be, and this list is ARR, right? And therefore, if there are no repeating elements, then L will be an empty list, and minimum of L will be error. It will bring us into an error. So and they have actually told us, if this gives an error, then we just have to print as -1. So simply I'll use try and except function. So I'll try to print minimum of L. And if this does not exist, then they have told us to print -1. So I will write in except print -1. Okay, now let us check it. Okay, it works. So I'll just copy the whole code and paste it on HackerRank platform just to verify all the test cases. I have used except function as well. In this sample input, we don't need to print -1. That's why I guess no need of in -1 in this case, but in other cases we'll need it. So see, it works. There's no problem. Thank you.